It's learned from a news briefing held Monday that around 13,000 pieces of relics have been discovered at the legendary Sangxingdui ruin site in southwest China's Sichuan province since October 2020.
这件网格撞击应该是7号坑里边体量最大的一件，保存最完整的一件青铜器。那更重要的是呢，这一件文物它的形制特征、造型和制作技术都属上乘，造型就非常的奇特了，在此之前是从来没有见到过的。
Remains of houses and stonewares, ivory and golden objects have also been unearthed around the 6 sacrificial pits of the ruins. Discovered in the late 1920s, the Sangxingdui ruins have been called one of the world's greatest archaeological finds of the 20th century. Covering 12 square kilometers, the ruins are located in the city of Guanghan in Sichuan. They are believed to be remnants of the Shu kingdom, which survived for over 2,000 years. The ruins date back at least 4,800 years.